false. Understood? How to set the focus back in the name text box. How to set the name of focus back in the text box. There is a method called as focus. See guys, we are all talking about methods here. Close is a method. Clear is a method. Focus is a method. We're going to call these methods now. Understood? Okay, first you want to clear the text boxes. First you want to clear the two text boxes. If you want to clear the text boxes, txt name dot clear. Same way, txt fees dot clear. Will clear all the text boxes. Are you clear? But imagine tomorrow if you have 20, 30 text boxes on my screen. I need to call clear that many number of times now. And another problem, suddenly if a text box is deleted, I require to delete that code here again. If a new text box is added, I need to add the code again. But yesterday we written the code for a checkbox in such a way, tomorrow new course is added, existing course is deleted, no changes to the code again. That's what we discussed, remember? But here see, if I write like this, I'm referring to the text box clearly here. 10 text boxes are there. For every text box, I should write the name of the text box and call clear. So what will be the problem? Tomorrow, if there are 10 text boxes, 10 times I should call clear. 50 text boxes, 50 times I should call clear. New text box added, and you would add a new line. One text box deleted, need to delete an existing code. Are you clear or not? This is a very, very important thing what you just require to remember. Adding, deleting. Every time we need to do it. Adding and deleting every time we need to do it. Clear or not? Okay, well, how to resolve this problem? How to resolve this particular problem? Let's try to understand how to resolve this problem. To resolve this particular problem here, now to resolve this particular problem, what you just require to do now is, listen. Actually, there is a property called as controls. You can call this property on any container. Form is a container now. Group box is a container. Panel is a container. You can call this on any container. Suppose if I say this dot controls, it will provide me all the controls present on the form. It will provide access to all the controls. Means it will provide access to all the controls. That means this property will give you a control array. A control array back now. What? Yes, all the controls present on the screen will come back as an array now. Okay. Now, look at the screen and tell me how many controls are present on the form. How many controls are present on the form? Wrong answer. I asked you a question. Answer that. Don't again ask another question for that. How many controls are present on the form? 3, 4, 6. What are those? Tell me what are those 3, 4, and 6? 31 wrong. Wrong. How many controls are present, or otherwise, how many controls are placed on the form? Wrong. Wrong. 8. What are those? Table, text box, checkbox, radio button. You are telling the type of controls here. What I asked is the number of controls. So why are you telling type of controls? What is my question? How many number of controls are present on the form? I did not ask you what type of controls are present on the form. Form contains a form. The counting form also. I repeat my question. How many controls are present on the form? There are 9 controls on the form here. 3 labels. Okay? 2 text boxes. How many? 2 buttons. 2 group boxes. You understand English? How many controls are present on the form? That is what I asked here. Why are you counting the controls on the group box? How many children your father have? Why are you counting your children there? Yeah. Did you understand my question? How many controls are present on the form? That is the question. I did not ask you to count all the other controls. On form, there are 9 controls. What are those 9? 3 labels, 2 text boxes, 2 group boxes, 2 buttons. Understood or not? Checkbox is not on the form. Radio button is not on the form. Where is the checkbox? Checkbox is on the group box. If I ask you how many controls are present on the first group box, then you should tell 20. There are 20 checkboxes in the first group box now. How many controls are present on the second group box? 3. Form has 9. Understood or not? I'll prove you. I will prove you there are 9 controls on the form. How? This dot controls provides me access to all the controls on the form. It will provide me access to all the controls on the form. And what it returns me? A control array. A control array. So can I say for each control CTRL in? Understood? If you have a string array, what you write? For each string str in, it is a control array. What is the? For each control CTRL in. Okay? Message box dot show CTRL dot get the type dot name. You can see the names of the controls now. Name is a type name, not control name. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all. Checkbox and radio button did not come because they are not present on the form. They are present on the group box. See here, if I say in the place of this, if I say GB controls, GB courses, what did you get access to? The 20 checkboxes now. It will provide me access to the 20 checkboxes. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Are you clear? So we have 20 checkboxes that are present on the same way here. If you see 3, try. And not given name, huh? So I given the name as a CB track. No, GB track. One. Got it? Okay, like this, you can get access to all the controls that are present on any container. Okay, now see, I'm saying this dot. This dot means form. Now see, this message box is coming 9 times now. Yes or not? But if I write a condition like this, if CTRL is text box, how many times is got this? 2 times. Why? The condition is satisfied 2 times only. The condition is satisfied 2 times only. 1, 2. Are you clearer or not? 2 times only, I got this particular message. Means we are able to recognize a text box now. That's what I want to make sure you are able to recognize the text box or not. Okay, if the text box is displaying a message yellow, if the text box is displaying a message yellow, but what I'm asking is the text box, can you write a code for clearing it? Without hello, write code for clearing it. How to clear? Clear method. How to clear? Clear method. How to call ctrl dot, array, not coming in the list, see? Why not coming? Because clear method is defined in the text box, not under control. CTR is a parent class. Remember, CTR is parent. The parent cannot access child class members. Understand me? Name is a common property for all the controls or not? Tell me. Text is a common property. Click is a common event. Are you following me? See, all the common members will come here, see. Name. Text. Every control has a back color. Every control has a foreground color. Every control has font. You can set a focus into any control. Array, all these methods are defined in the parent class, man. Which class? Control class. But it's clear. You cannot clear a label. You cannot clear a button. You cannot clear a checkbox. What you can clear? Text box only. That is specific to text box only. So you cannot call directly. What to do? The same technique what I taught you in the last class is equals to. Did you understand me? I'm converting into text box and then calling clear. What is the benefit of writing the code like this, sir? Tomorrow you have 10 text boxes on the form also clear. 100 text boxes also clear. 1000 text boxes also clear. Watch. See, I added you many text boxes on the screen now. Now all of them have a value, right? After writing the code, I have added the text boxes. That clearly indicates what is it. Tomorrow, if I add a new text box also, I don't require to write the code. If I delete an existing text box also, I don't require to modify the code. Did you understand me? So this is what you need to understand. A generic code. Your code should always be generic in nature. Okay. Same like this, man. Can I write the code for unchecking all the checkboxes? Tell me how to write the code for unchecking the checkboxes. Take this code as a sample and tell me now. For each control CTRL in GB courses dot controls. If control is checkbox, if control is checkbox, checkbox CB is equals to checkbox of control. Next, CB dot checked is equals to false. CB dot checked is equals to false. So run. All are cleared off. Are you clear? Finally, what you require to do after clearing everything, txt face dot text is equals to assign the default value 0, txt name dot call the method focus. Focus should come into the name text box. Understood? See, this is the original state. This is the original state. Now I started entering all the values. So now everything is modified. Click on, check it out. Back to original state. Look from the